Hello guys, I'm Saikat and this is TGSS. So today while I was working, my pendrive got corrupted and this is a 32 GB pendrive and it is showing no space available. So I thought why not I make a video about this one. So I recorded what I did then. Now I'm going to show you what I did and how to fix this problem. So let's go. So here is my pen drive, and in the properties everything is 0. So the next thing I did was formatting the pen drive. Well, it is only 2.76 GB available. Start. Okay. So this process didn't work well as I expected. So the next thing I did is opening the command prompt and then Diskpart and then hit enter and then list disk. So it is showing me that 29 GB of size and 26 GB is free. And in the background you can see that only 2.75 GB is available. So then I selected the disk 3 and tried to clean the disk 3 from CMD. And it didn't work as well. Now from CMD I opened disk management. Well, here is disk 3 which is unlocated and unallocated, and so right click on it and then new simple volume and then next, and I need a maximum size so I don't need to adjust the size, and then give it a name and then next and then next and then finish, and disk 3 is back online. And in the properties, here it is 29.67 GB available. As always, thanks for watching this video guys. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, do comments, do share the video with your friends, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. So till the next time, bye bye.